What's up guys, and welcome to another tutorial. In the previous tutorial we've seen how to insert some data into the database, and in this tutorial we're gonna see how to fetch some records from the database. So I inserted these records in the database, and this is the result that we're having. Okay, so first of all, we specify, as in the previous video, some of the parameters of the connection, and then we're gonna connect to the database, and then our SQL query is gonna be select, and then we specify what we want to select from a table. So we wanna select the student underscore ID, student underscore name, student underscore GPA, and student underscore notes from, and then we specify the table that we're gonna select values from. We're gonna select them from the students table, and then we're gonna execute our query just as we did in the last tutorial, and then we're gonna print our table tag, and then we're gonna print the headers of the table, the student ID, the student name, the student GPA, and the student notes, and then we're gonna loop over all of the records that resulted from our SQL query. So we're gonna do this by calling the fetch array method inside the result object, and we're gonna assign every single value to a variable called row, and then in each iteration of this loop we're gonna print a row, and then we're gonna print the cells in this order. First of all, the student ID, then the student name, and then the student GPA, and finally the student notes. And what this function does, HTML special chars, it actually escapes the HTML tags. So for example, if we wrote a tag like a script tag, then it's gonna be written as script. It's not gonna be executed, and this is important for preventing attacks like cross-site scripting. And then to fetch a record in the row, we call $row, and we send to it the parameter that we want to get, which is student ID, or student underscore name, or student underscore GPA, or student underscore notes. And finally we close the tab for the table, and then we close the connection. So that's it guys for this tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching.